Okay, so let's go through the process of riveting a port like this one onto a mask. We start with a supply of these grommets. Not sure if grommet's the right word. They've got some little lines in them. And there's a convex side and a concave side. So the dimple, the inward dimple, is going downwards. And that goes inside this. There's a magnet to hold it in place. So the downward dimple is centering this in the hole. Strap the new mask. This is a Oro 9210 Plus. Now we go with these guys. So start by inserting that on here. It falls on. Get your mask ready. Importantly, this comes from the back side, so point it at the center back and start to push it through, being careful that you don't impale yourself here. Now, it won't go all the way on. The port side is holding it back. It doesn't have to. Then it gets inserted onto here. It's kind of all wobbly. Push down hard. That removes. And the port is installed. And now I can connect to some of this tubing, which is 1/8 inch inner diameter, 1/4 inch outer diameter. I'm using vinyl because I live in Germany and actual medical grade stuff is not possible to buy as a consumer. That's done.